Okay, we are working on the Red Big Ideas Record and Practice Journal 3.5, and we are doing two-step equations, and again, we're still trying to check our work and making sure it checks out. The first one is number 4 on your Record and Practice Journal. It's negative 12 equals negative 8z plus 12. The first thing we have to identify, we know it's negative 8z, and we're plusing 12, so we want to get rid of that, and we're going to get rid of that by subtracting 12. If we do plus 12 and minus 12, we get 0. So we're going to go over here and we're going to subtract 12. Now if you have negative 12 minus 12, don't forget, make sure you change your sign, and it's going to become negative 12 plus negative 12. Negative 12 plus negative 12 is negative 24. Now I have negative 24 equals negative 8z. In order to get rid of the 8 and get our variable by itself, we're going to have to divide by negative 8. So divide by negative 8, that cancels off. We get z by itself. Over here we need to divide by negative 8. Negative 24 divided by negative 8 is going to give you 3. So 3 is equal to z. Now, real quick, just to check our work, we want to plug in 3 wherever the z was. So now we're going to multiply negative 8 times 3, which is negative 24. Then we're going to add 12 to that, negative 24. Negative 24 plus 12 is going to give us negative 12. So that solution does check out. We'll scroll down to number 5. Number 5 is 1.3n minus 0.03 equals negative 9. First thing we want to identify, we know our variable is n. Because we're taking away 0.03 or 3/100ths, we want to do the opposite. If I'm going to take it away, I need to add it. So I'm going to add it, and that's going to cancel off. So over here I've got negative 9, and I am adding 0.03 to negative 9. Well, the signs are different, so I'm going to have to subtract. So that's going to be negative 8.97. So we still have 1.3n equals negative 8.97. In order to get rid of the 1.3, I should change my color. I need to divide by 1.3, and same thing over here. I need to divide by 1.3. 8.97 divided by 1.3 is going to be n equals negative 6.9. Now, in order to check my work, I need to plug in for n, negative 6.9. So I got 1.3 times negative 6.9. 1.3 times 6.9, I believe, is going to be 8.97. So it's negative 8.97. And then it says subtract 0.03. I want to change my sign to addition, take the opposite of the second. Negative 8.97 plus negative 0.03 does indeed equal negative 9. So it got a little sloppy in there, but the solution does check out. This is two-step equations, and this is from 3.5 in your Record and Practice Journal. Please remember to check. Please remember to do your addition or subtraction first. Addition or subtraction first, then you can multiply or divide second.